Hello friends, welcome back. Today the sky is gray and heavy. Bluey presses her nose to the window, raindrops slide fast down the glass. Bingo stands beside her, ears twitching, she whispers, "Listen." The rain drums on the roof, tap tap tap. Bluey smiles wide, "Let's go outside." Bingo gasps, "But Mom said wait." Dad walks in with a towel, he grins, "Who wants to be puddle jumpers?" Both girls shout, "Me, me." Mom sighs but nods, "Okay, but wear your boots." Bluey pulls on her red boots quick, Bingo grabs her yellow ones. Dad opens the back door, fresh cool air rushes in. The rain splashes heavy, the ground shiny wet. Bluey dashes first, Bingo follows squealing. Splash, her paws land in a giant puddle, water sprays high. Bingo giggles, she jumps too, splash. Dad claps, "That's the spirit." Bluey twirls around, her ears drip. Bingo raises her paws, she shouts, "I'm a rain dancer." Mom steps to the porch, she shakes her head but smiles. Bluey runs to the garden, the soil squishes under her boots. Bingo chases butterflies hiding in the wet bushes. Suddenly a loud rumble rolls across the sky, thunder. Bingo freezes, her eyes wide. Bluey pats her paw, "Don't worry, it's just the sky playing drums." Dad laughs, "Good one, Bluey." Bingo relaxes, she stomps a puddle, splash on Dad's legs. He pretends to roar, "Oh no, my pants." Bluey laughs so hard she falls into the wet grass. Bingo kneels and makes handprints on the muddy ground. Mom calls, "Careful," but the girls shout, "This is fun." A bird flutters from the tree, drops scatter around. Bluey points, "See, even the bird loves rain." Bingo spins, her boots squelch with every step. Dad joins in, he stomps the biggest puddle, water explodes everywhere. Bluey shrieks, Bingo screams, Mom gasps then laughs. The rain softens, drizzling gentle now. Bluey lies on her back, arms spread, feeling the drops tickle her fur. Bingo crouches beside her, she whispers, "The clouds are washing us." Dad nods, "It's nature's shower." Mom brings out warm cocoa, she waves them inside. But Bluey begs, "Just 5 more minutes." Bingo nods fast, "Please, Mom." Mom sighs again but smiles, "Okay." They hold paws, they jump in one last giant puddle together, splush. Water sprays high, their laughter echoes. Finally Mom calls, "Enough puddle pops." They rush inside dripping, Dad towels them dry. Bluey sips cocoa, Bingo hums happily. The window glows with raindrops, outside the world is fresh and clean. Bluey whispers, "Best rainy day ever," Bingo nods sleepy, "Yeah, the best." Dad tucks them close, Mom hugs them warm. The rain fades quiet, the house feels safe. And the sisters dream of puddles dancing under silver skies.